Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. We're now on to lot number 53, which is the very rare Honda CB50, which is a 1978 bike. The bike itself is a 5-speed manual with a 49cc engine with about 6 brake horsepower. Has a wet weight of 83 kilos and a top speed of 90 kilometers, which is about near enough 60 miles an hour. Fuel consumption is around 239.4 miles per gallon. We have here, which is quite crazy, as well as that 0 to 60 speeds and stuff aren't too relevant on this bike. Price will be $18.50. It's a 1978 bike and is just over 15,000 miles on the clock. Front of the bike has some signs of rusting on the spokes, but the alloy looks good itself. Tires look good and the front mudguard look also very good, no marks. No real signs of pitting in the front forks. Some signs of fading in the stickers on the tank, but no real signs of any marks. Maybe a slight rust spot at the front here where my mouse cursor is. Engine looks in okay condition, some slight signs of rubbing where the feet go. Kickstart only on her in this one. CB50 side panel looks in good condition. Original seat, which is nice to see, as well as the rear mudguard looks in good condition also. Muffler itself looks in really nice condition. The spokes have some slight signs of rusting on the rear, and the tyre on the rear looks good. The left hand side of the bike now, on the rear we have the same with the spokes on the other side, as well as the tyre being good. The rear mudguard here has a slight scrape going through it, as well as the seat being in very good condition. No signs of any tearing or ripping. Slight crack on this side on the side panel. Again, some rubbing on the engine area here, and then again some fading in the stickers on the tank. With the tank itself, it looks in very nice condition. Some rusting on the levers here. Front forks, again, no real signs of pitting or anything like that. The front mudguard looks very good, as well as the front disc having no real rust in her either. Again, front spokes, slight bit of rusting, and the front tyre looks good. We will be taking €150 deposits on these bikes to secure the bike before arrival in September. Again, €1,850, 1978, with just over 15,000 miles on the clock. If you did like the video, please do leave a like, as well as commenting down below what you think of the bike, and finally subscribe if you haven't already.